Open your bag.
Open your bag.
Take out your textbook.
Take out your textbook.
Check the assignment.
Check the assignment.
Start homework now.
Start homework now.
Answer each question.
Answer each question.
Do your homework.
Do your homework.
Read your notes.
Read your notes.
Write your answers.
Write your answers.
Show me your homework.
Show me your homework.
Draw the picture.
Draw the picture.
Find your textbook.
Find your textbook.
Study for test.
Study for test.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Label the diagram.
Label the diagram.
Solve the problem.
Solve the problem.
Use your notebook.
Use your notebook.
Work on math.
Work on math.
Try each question.
Try each question.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Draw neat lines.
Draw neat lines.
Read the instructions.
Read the instructions.
Finish the assignment.
Finish the assignment.
Memorize vocabulary words.
Memorize vocabulary words.
Use the dictionary.
Use the dictionary.
Write neatly, please.
Write neatly, please.
Do extra practice.
Do extra practice.
Prepare for tomorrow.
Prepare for tomorrow.
Review your notes.
Review your notes.
Answer each question.
Answer each question.
Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Use your pencil.
Use your pencil.
Find your notes.
Find your notes.
Don't skip questions.
Don't skip questions.
Write short answers.
Write short answers.
Finish it tonight.
Finish it tonight.
Learn key facts.
Learn key facts.
Read your text.
Read your text.
Practice your spelling.
Practice your spelling.
Do it right now.
Do it right now.
Memorize key points.
Memorize key points.
Show your work.
Show your work.
Complete all questions.
Complete all questions.
Write in sentences.
Write in sentences.
Answer in detail.
Answer in detail.
Write complete sentences.
Write complete sentences.
Memorize every term.
Memorize every term.
Write the formula.
Write the formula.
Finish it fast.
Finish it fast.
Answer with examples.
Answer with examples.
Check for mistakes.
Check for mistakes.
Complete the problem.
Complete the problem.
Erase all the mistakes.
Erase all the mistakes.
Let me check your answers.
Let me check your answers.
Did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework?
Close your bag.
Close your bag.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.